Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. In this session, we'll introduce Winmate's ultra-rugged laptop, the L140AD-4K. This solution is designed by Winmate for mission-critical environments where performance and reliability. Let's take a quick look at today's agenda. We'll review the key specifications, explore the advantages of the 4K display, and highlight durability and security features from Winmate. We'll also cover field usability, applications, and the Winmate L140 series lineup. The Winmate L140AD-4K features a 14-inch 4K UHD display, delivering sharp and detailed visuals for data-intensive tasks. With 500 nits brightness and anti-glare optical bonding, the screen remains clear even in bright conditions. For field use, Winmate integrates a removable handle for easy portability. Dual hot swappable batteries allow continuous operation without interruption. The device is built with a magnesium alloy enclosure and rated IP65. As part of Winmate's rugged design standard, it performs reliably in harsh environments. In terms of performance, it runs on Intel Core processors, supports up to 32 GB RAM and 2 TB SSD storage. It comes with Windows 11 IoT Enterprise. The Winmate L140AD-4K delivers true 4K UHD resolution, providing a clear advantage when working with critical data. Radar signals, tactical maps, and visual details appear sharper and more precise. This improves readability and supports faster decision-making in high-pressure situations. It also helps reduce eye strain during extended use. With Winmate's optical bonding technology, reflections are minimized, ensuring consistent visibility in both indoor and outdoor environments. Durability is a core strength of Winmate rugged solutions. The L140AD-4K meets military standards for shock, vibration, and drop resistance up to 4 feet. It operates in temperatures ranging from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. Performance remains stable in extreme cold and high heat. The IP65 rated enclosure protects against dust and water ingress. This reflects Winmate's commitment to reliable operation in demanding conditions. Security is another key focus for Winmate. The system supports SODI Mobi control for real-time remote management. It includes TPM 2.0 for hardware-level encryption and system integrity. The device is Tempest compliant by default, reducing the risk of electromagnetic data leakage. It also meets MIL-STD 461G and MIL-STD 81H standards. The Winmate L140AD-4K is designed for efficient field operation. It features PCAP multi-touch, allowing smooth interaction even with gloves. Connectivity includes WLAN and Bluetooth, with optional 4G or 5G and GNSS. This ensures stable communication across different environments. A full set of I/O ports is available, including USB-C, USB-A, serial, LAN, and HDMI. Ensures easy integration with existing systems. Winmate designs the L140AD-4K for defense and military operations, law enforcement, firefighting command, and search and rescue. In these environments, reliable performance, clear situational awareness, and stable communication are critical. The L140AD-4K supports these needs and helps teams operate with confidence. L140 series includes multiple models for different requirements. It ranges from portable configurations to fully rugged solutions. Each model reflects Winmate's balance of performance, durability, and flexibility, depending on application needs. And to learn more about Winmate and the L140 series, please visit our website or follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you for your time. We look forward to supporting your next deployment.